With just this simple ingredient in your kitchen, you can make a nice mouth-watering soup that will help you to lose weight and keep your body warm in this winter period. So to make this soup, all you need is some butternut squash, which you're going to slice into some nicely chunk. Get your sweet potato, which is like really less in carbohydrate. Slice this and also transfer them to your bowl. Get yourself some nice carrots already peeled and washed. Also go ahead and chop in the bell peppers, as these vegetables are rich and good for the body. Go in with a large leg, chop this, slice some onion, garlic, some scotch bonnet pepper if you like your soup spicy, and go in with some nice chicken thighs or chicken breast. So add in just about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, just about a table will go. Add in your onion. Go ahead and add in the ginger, the garlic. Give this a nice stir, and at this point transfer in the chicken. Allow the chicken to cook until it is like half done. Add in some seasoning. I'm using some salt, rosemary, some curry, black peppers, as I want the soup to have that nice taste. So at this point, I'll go in with all the chopped vegetables and I'll give this a nice stir. So if you are finding this video helpful at this point, please do go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Drop a comment letting me know where you're watching for so I can say hi to you on the comment section. So give this a nice stir. If it's your first time here, hey, thank you for clicking on this video. And to all my returning subscribers, you guys, you know you rock. Thank you for always coming back. If you've not subscribed to this channel and you find this recipe helpful, please do go ahead, hit the red subscribe button, click on the like button, and thank you for coming on the channel. So at this point, go in and add in enough water to cover up the veggies, and go in at this point and add in some coconut cream. This is going to make your soup come out really creamy and delicious. Cover it up, allow it to cook for about 20 minutes to 25 minutes until your veggies comes out like really soft. And there you go, it's all ready. So at this point, just get in your hand blender and use it to like blend the soup. And I tell you, this is the best soup that you can give to your body in this winter. It is rich and it is really filling. It will keep your body full and you won't even feel like having anything else to eat. And I tell you, this is the best soup for you to give to your body. Hope to see you on my next recipe. To have a lovely day. Have an amazing day. Bye.